Most welcome in this English grammar question answer session. It belongs to class 4, lesson 17, named subject verb agreement. It involves revision and solution of online and offline homework. Let us enjoy it. Question number A. Underline the subject in each sentence. Then fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verb. So you need to underline your subject first. And after underlining, you need to fill correct form of verb in the given blanks. You have two options, dances and dance. So first of all, you have to understand whether your subject is in singular form or plural form. If the subject is in plural form, then the form of your verb will also plural. You can see the girls are in plural form. So the verb dance is filled over here. Consequently, it becomes the girls dance in the rain. What is rule? With plural subjects, you need to use plural form of verb, and with singular subject, you need to use singular form of verb. One thing you need to keep it in your mind, when you want to judge the given subject is whether in singular or plural form, then you need to watch this. If the subject is associated with s or es, then is obviously in plural form. If the subject is without s or es, then the subject is obviously in singular form. But in the case of verb, it is just opposite. With this plural form of subject, you use the plural form of verb which isn't of any s or es. You can see it is not, this verb is not associated with s or es. At the end of this verb, there is no s or es. So it is in plural form. So this is the difference between plural subjects and plural form of verb. You have already been taught in the class so many times about such sort of uses. So just go through it. Dairy dash, you have options go and goes out to play in the park. Here dairy is in singular form, so it is associated with singular form of verb, that is goes. So it becomes dairy goes out to play in the park. Third, the player is in singular form, so the verb plays is also in singular form. Consequently, it becomes the player plays football well. A hen, it is in singular form. That means a subject is in singular form. And you need to underline your subject. A hen lays, because a hen is in singular form and is the subject of, a hen is the subject of this sentence. So it is associated with the singular form of the verb, that is lays. Consequently, it becomes a hen lays eggs. Now see, Amit and Ali, both are in plural form, including both name, including both name. You get subject as a plural form. So it commands plural form of verb. Consequently, it becomes Amit and Ali ride a bike. Amit and Ali ride a bike. In this way, you need to complete your answer sheet. Now come to Enjoy homework. Question number B. Choose the correct options from the brackets. Your teacher will check your answer. Fish and chips. You have two options, is or are. Correct option is is. Enjoyed by many. Fish and chips is treated as a unit over here, so you need to use singular form of verb. Consequently, it becomes fish and chips is enjoyed by many. Rice and corn. Here both are different things, different sort of edibles. So you need to use plural form of verb. Rice and corn are expensive today. Slow and steady wins the race because slow and steady commands the same stream. Slow and steady wins the race. So here the singular verb has been used. Both of these terms act like a unit. Truth and honesty, both are different things. Truth and honesty. So it acts like a plural subject. Have to be imbibed. So it commands plural form of verb in this given blank. Age and experience. Again, both are two things. Age and experience are two things. So it commands plural form of verb. Consequently, it becomes age and experience make a person. Now see, in these days, bread and butter was, you have two options, where and was. Correct option will be was, because bread and butter acts like a unit. Consequently, it becomes, in those days bread and butter was not commonly sold in markets. 7. This is screaming and shouting. You have two options, are oblique is. So here both the terms act like a unit. So you need to use singular form of verb. Consequently, it becomes, this screaming and shouting is not going to be tolerated. 8. Eggs and sandwich. You have options, is oblique are my favorite food. Obviously, both the edibles act like a unit, so you need to use singular form of verb. Consequently, it becomes eggs and sandwich is my favorite food. 9th, crown and glory. Here both are different things. Crown and glory, but acts like a unit. Crown and glory are two terms, but are associated with each other like a unit. So you need to use singular form of verb. Crown and glory tempts a king. 20 years. Dash, you have two options, are oblique is, a long time for a reunion of friends. So again, 20 years acts like a unit. So you need to use singular form of verb over here. Consequently, it becomes 20 years is a long time for a reunion of friends. Must note it down and get checked so that you can score optimum marks in coming exam. Thanks for watching. See you in next class with new solution.